beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So in today's video we're having a makeup tutorial, a glam makeup tutorial, very simple and beginner friendly, and my gorgeous sister here is going to be our model for today. So I'm starting off with brushing her edges with Gorilla Snot gel.
My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me.
I'm wiping her face with wipes just so we could start on a clean slate, and then I'm applying a primer, Rimmel Stay Matte Primer on her face, and I'll leave it to dry for some seconds before going on with the foundation. For the foundation, I'm using Vessie Goldsmith Matte Foundation in VG12. This foundation is not the best for oily skin. She doesn't have an oily skin, she has a normal skin. This foundation is really matte, so if you use it for an oily skin, the oil in your skin will begin to peek through and it's not really a nice experience. I'm just trying to work my way through fast so it doesn't dry. I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to highlight her under eye, and I'm also going to mix it with my Zaron Cosmetics concealer in medium. And I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend that in. I am also highlighting the bridge of her nose with Zaron Cosmetics concealer, and then her forehead, her chin, and her cupid's bow. And I'm using a darker shade of concealer just to contour her face. And then I'm blending it in with the same beauty sponge I used earlier on.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright.
Then I'm setting the areas where I highlighted previously with my setting powder. The names of the products will be listed in the description box below. Then I'm going in with my Ministar powder palette just to set the areas where I contoured. And then I'm doing a reverse contour on her cheeks.
Follow your heart.
So I'm just brushing the brow hairs with my spoolie before I go in with my Davis pencil in number 18 to draw the outlines of the brows, after which I would fill it in with hair-like strokes. To highlight her brows, I am using the LA Pro Concealer in Fawn and the Zaron Cosmetics Concealer in Medium. I am using the Zaron Cosmetics Concealer in Medium for the high points of her brows, while I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer for the other areas of the brow so that I can blend it easily.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time.
And I'm blending it in with the same beauty sponge I used previously.
There is so much love to give, something's telling.
I'm going into the same Ministar powder palette and just taking a dark shade, not really dark shade, just to blend the areas very close to the bridge of her nose. And then I'm taking a brown shade, a very dark one, just to use as a contour for her eyes and also as a transition color. I'm then going to blend it in with another brush that has some orange highlights in it. I just took a little orange eyeshadow color and I'm using it to blend that in. I'm going into my Foo Faced eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this gold shade or bronze shade. The name of the shade is Stonewall. I'm just taking it in and I'm just using it for her crease area. I'm going in with the same brush to blend it in. For her liner, I am using a gel liner. And I will also be using the same gel liner for her waterline. So I fixed her lashes off camera. So I'm just dusting off the excess powder from the same powder palette. I'm using a lighter shade just to dust off excess powder from her face and the areas from where I highlighted previously. So I'm using the same colors I used for her eyeshadow look. I'm using it under her eyes, but I'm not using the shimmer. I'm just using the dark brown and the orange shade. Then I'm using the Avour Cosmetics powder
Do you wanna know?
just to set the entire face.
Well, I've been thinking about you
I'm making sure everything is well blended.
because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day.
So I'm using my blush. I don't know the name of this blush. It's been a very long time since I've been using it and the name is no longer on it. I'm using my Flawless Ivy setting spray to set her face.
Doesn't matter how far.
I'm using this highlighter palette I got from Ewaronke. I'm using it to highlight her cheekbone, her brow bone, the bridge of her nose and her cupid's bow.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day.
I'm going in with the same brush just to blend everything together.
I guess our hearts can align.
For her lips, I'm using Jordana Cosmetics liner in Brown Ridge.
Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now. It's
And then I'm going in with Zaron Cosmetics Ultra Shine Lip Gloss in Cotton Candy.
baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now.
And this is the final look, guys. I hope you learned one or two things from this look. If you enjoyed this video and if you did learn one or two things, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section what you think about this video, and also subscribe if you have not, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for tuning in.
I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright.